name is Srilekha. I am from JB Institute of Engineering and Technology in the stream of IT, which is located in Hyderabad. I have joined Jspiders in the month of September. My friend has referred me. Actually, she has in incubation. She joined in Jspiders. She told me this institute is very good in teaching skills and in everything. She told me you will get placed confirm if you attend the classes regularly. So as she told, I have attended the classes regularly and the quality of teaching is so good in Jspiders. All Jspiders team is working very good to get placed for students, and they will conduct the mock and they will conduct presentation. Due to that, our communication skills also will be improved and our technical skills also will be improved. So we should have the goal to achieve the job so that you can crack the interviews very easily. Thank you.